All right, got a 460 here on the bench. Bit of a dog. Just getting that problem figured out. Had the timing on the intake a little messed up. Got back the gear wheel on there, and we're gonna fix that. Okay.
Listen tonight at 7 PKT at WPKT HD1 Norwich at 89.1 W11 Racing. But now his team is suing NASCAR, alleging the company is violating for doing it. But now Trump is telling the good people. This follows lawmakers of both Trump administration.
All right, looks like that's about that distance from there to there, about 17. So we got to go down about 1.5 millimeters, so 15 and a half. All right, let me know what you guys think. If there's some 460 guys out there that know what they're doing, let me know.